Display mol pakso mi planim lo kap. Mi plan lo trying lo looking how am by grow na come up so all work lo grow stuff. Na time you plan him kai, but you don't have to harvest him straight. But you have to wait or some time period before lo, but you harvest him kai where you plan him long him. Now time you ready stop, you don't have to stop nothing, but you need to weed him, stretch him. Go now time him carry him or him grow enough lo mak lo kai. Now but you harvest him now but you kai. Lo life. He got him two big weight you miss a weight to life. Number one weight and one time by you die or by me die. The number two weight and one time by big man come back in. Lo kisi mol man meri behind him. So every something you me walking them come up namel lo this tupla weight. Whether you me die or picking in blow God by come na Jesus by come back na kisi me bla lo heaven. So in between lo this time one kind of lo plan. You me waiting all lo stop kon all by ready na you me kai. One kind of same you me stop lo life you me walk lo wait lo achieve him something lo life. Na time you me pressure him this all thinking where you me like lo walk him come up so by you me look him na kisi belly na to me succeed lo display something. Throughout lo this process where you me walk lo take him long and this every something you me walk him lo life or fall in between lo this two way. Number one, whether you may die, or number two, whether you may stop life yet and a big man by come back in. So the question when me like asking me pla and Mosem, time one pla blow this two pla come up. Either you may die or big man them come. One them kind life or one them kind man or one them kind marry. You like lo yet by come up or stop long him. Na this pla two pla something by come. Suppose you by die, you like stop lo one them kind mark. Or time big man come, you like stop lo one them side. This play question that me one by answering. That's all. Time you me stop now you must serve him. Every something you me walk him and fall in between lo this two pla big pla wait. Now the greatest hours lo life and time big man them come na you me go lo heaven. Thank you.